Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ecovacs robot to your phone, step by step. First, you will download the Ecovacs Home application. Next, we will prepare your robot and home Wi-Fi for smooth connection. Then, we will walk through the easy in-app pairing process. Finally, you will have complete control of your robot from your smartphone, ready to manage your cleaning tasks with ease. Before we begin, download the Ecovacs Home app from your device's app store. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. It is crucial that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as 5 GHz networks are not supported. Position your robot within 5 feet of your Wi-Fi router for optimal signal strength. Also, ensure your robot is fully charged and powered on, and enable both Bluetooth and location services on your phone. Now, let's pair your robot. Open the Ecovacs Home app and select Add a Robot. You can then scan the QR code found under your robot's top cover. Next, press and release the reset button on your robot for about 1 second. You should hear a beep or a voice prompt. The Wi-Fi indicator light on your robot will begin to blink. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network starting with Ecovacs XXXX. Finally, return to the Ecovacs Home app to complete the pairing process. After these steps, the app should confirm a successful connection. It is highly recommended to update your robot's firmware if the app prompts you, ensuring you have the latest features and improvements. If you encounter any issues, try disabling your phone's mobile data during setup. Also, verify that your Wi-Fi network name and password consist only of English letters and numbers. If problems persist, restart both your robot and your home router. Should you still face difficulties, do not hesitate to contact Ecovacs customer support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.